RV.
No, RV. Bahan pa na ako dito. Tara na bumalik. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's vlog, nandito tayo ngayon sa San Francisco, California. First time ko rin guys na makapunta dun sa mismong city proper, itong lugar na to. Kung makikita nyo dun sa previous vlog is nagkaroon kami ng layover dito. Nasa loob lang kami ng airport. Hindi kami nakalabas nung time na yan. Pero ngayon is magkakaroon tayo ng 3-day trip. Ngayong araw, January 16, magkakaroon tayo ng go-kart activity. Marami siyang dadaanan na tourist spots. Ang oras na ngayon dito is 7 o'clock AM pero madilim pa din. Tingnan nyo. Labas tayo guys. Good morning America! Grabe, hindi pa rin makapag-sink in sa akin guys na makakarating ako dito sa US. Hindi ko tayo na-expect na mangyayari to sa akin pagka isang taon ko sa abroad. Nag-assume talaga ako na 3 to 5 years pa ako bago makapunta dito. Pero guys, nandito na ako ngayon. Grabe, nakakatawa. Sobrang lamig dito guys. Maglalakad-lakad na rin tayo ng konti. So may kwento ako sa inyo guys. Kagabi, pagkadating namin dito, wala kaming food, wala kaming water, anything. Kasi nga galing kami sa biyahe. Alam nyo naman gaano kahigpit sa mga airports pagdating sa liquid and sa tubig. So nag-decide kami na lumabas. Magpalabas na kami. Halos ito lang din yung suot ko. Ayan, shoes, pajama, tsaka jacket. Paglabas ko, hindi pa ako nakakalay. Sabi ko, sobrang lamig, hindi ko pala kaya. Kaya bumalik ako sa bahay. Siguro mga nakatatlong patong agad akong damit. Medyo nafe-feel ko na talaga guys yung vacation. Tapos ngayon lang din nag-sink in sa akin. Nakarating na ako ng US. Mamaya guys, mag-go-kart tayo. Napakaraming lugar na pwedeng mapuntahan. Magdadrive din ako dun. So kasama ko si Myrtle, yung girlfriend ko. Ito nga pala guys yung mga nangyari kahapon mula dun sa airport hanggang makarating kami dun sa lodge na pag-i-stayan namin.
Please be careful when opening up her compartment to avoid baggage falling out.
Si RB nasa US. Guys, dito kami ngayon sa travel lounge. Kadami ang bagahe. So ang schedule namin bukas is go-kart. Yan yung mga around 10:30 AM. Bali 3 hours siya. So itatry natin guys na mag-drive dito sa San Francisco. Kung tatanungin nyo about sa oras, biyahe from Philippines to Taiwan, 1 oras lang mahigit. Then from Taiwan to San Francisco is around 10 hours. Depende yun sa route. Kasi yung route namin diretso ng Pacific Ocean. Dun sa vlog ko na umuwi kami, binaybay niya yung islands. Dumaan kami sa may bandang Russia, sa may bandang Japan. Pero ngayon from Taiwan, direkta siya sa dagat mismo. So medyo mabilis siya, 10 hours lang. And guys, so magpapahinga muna kami. Bukas na lang, samahan nyo kami sa pamasyal namin dito sa US, dito sa San Francisco, California. And let's go. See you tomorrow guys. Good night. So punta tayo dyan. Dito tayo ngayon. Tara na. Let's go guys.
Cold pala.
Where are we?
We're here at we're going to reach.
Wala akong alam sa iyo na
Ano nga ba yung moving ni Nadine?
ha?
Yung
Ano yan?
moving ni Nadine. Palace of the Fine Art. Will you marry me? Yan!
Diyan yan.
Will you marry me? Please, please, marry me.
Wow! 114?
Oo.
Ano yung Golden Gate?
Pwede pala natin walking distance. Ano pala?
When you're away, there's a hole in my heart. Feels like a deja vu. So come back soon, you are my missing part. I know that
Ano sabi niya?
We don't have cash. Holiday card. Tapos sabi niya, it's okay. Don't worry about that.
Paano hindi tayo nagbayad? Ha? Sabi pag ano talaga no, tao dito mahirap ka maka-adapt sa way of ano nila, transportation. Talagang mahirapan ka guys na pumunta kung saan-saan. Unless mag-book ka ng Uber. Pero
Which is magkano?
grabe.
Magkano?
Ginto. Kahapon from airport to
Lodge.
Lodge. $70 plus na yung binayaran namin guys. Grabe, wala masyadong tao. Anong araw ba ngayon?
It's Thursday.
Thursday pero wala masyadong tao no. Ito no, may dagat na dito. Mga camera. Alam mo kung couple kayo tapos pares kayong paano sa lugar, di talagang magkakaaway kayo pag maikli yung pasensya nyo sa isa't isa.
Ano na yung Fisherman's Wharf of Destination din. Turn natin picture.
Fine Art and Decor, Z Gallery.
you are my missing part. I know that you'll be you. 'Cause you're my sweetheart.
Sige.
Going to get some breakfast, some sandwiches here. Yummy. Oh,
Very good.
good.
Ano guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa Go-Car. Yan na yung mga nasa ano guys, yung mga nasa TikTok. Already dadaan natin.
So the GPS will tell you to go. It may lead you personally.
No freeways. No bike lanes.
Abo pala to.
Try pressing the center.
Yun, nasa ano yun. Dito na tayo guys sa Yes sir!
Let's go.
Go!
Three blocks left.
Thanks for checking out GPS Guide.
Ayan.
3 line.
Hindi ka nga, magsa-start ngayon doon sa 3 blocks.
When I bear down
Video nila
and
tayo.
down is up. When your half full glass looks like a half empty cup. When you're running into dead ends and everywhere you turn, well, seize the opportunity. Learn, hey, going slow.
Guys, kanina may mga tao na tuwan-tuwa sa amin. Tapos pinipicturean kami.
Ano? Masaya ka ba?
Oo naman. nakakatakot lang kasi syempre hindi mo gamay yung lugar. Yung mga road signages medyo nakakapanibago ba guys. Pero so far okay naman. Meron naman GPS dito. Grabe guys, ang saya.
Marina Bay.
Now it will dawn again tomorrow. And the universe behaves. And the dark corner.
What? Grabe guys, ito yung Golden Gate Bridge oh. Ito yung Alcatraz Island. Grabe guys, nakakatawa. Mga ilang buwan lang naaraan, parang sinesearch lang namin to, ganun. Kasi nandito na kami. Alam mo guys, dati yung kulungan, pero alam ko hindi na siya in-operate ngayon. Hindi ko alam yung main reason, pero one of the reasons kaya daw nagsara yan kasi sa sobrang laki ng monthly bill nila. So hindi na nila kaya i-accommodate. Bukod sa isolated island siya, sobrang laki niya guys. Hello!
Last night you caught my eye, so fly, oh my, I've been thinking about you all night, I can't get you off my mind. I'm out on
Large
the
open
border.
expanse on your right.
It's too late, I've crossed the border, I'm bitten hard by Cupid, babe. Hurry, I need to be
Reverse ka?
safe.
Paano mag-reverse?
Hurry with all the shade. Sunny days, you and me, we'll keep out of the rain. Try me on any direction, I'll follow you. Don't wanna wait another day and miss out on your sweet
Construction of the bridge has started.
selection. Tell Cupid stay, ask him to stay.
So tatry pa nating lumapit pa dun ng mas konti kung may makaparking ang bata dun. Let's go. Nakatingin sila sa atin.
Let's go!
Last night was magical. What a rush, yet casual. From the first look I knew we could be one love-based symphony.
Kamusta daw?
Sasagutin ko sana ng ayos lang.
I'm on a limb now, babe, but I'm bitten hard by Cupid, yeah. Hurry, I need to be saved. Go easy on me, babe. Sunny days, you and me, we'll keep out of the rain. Try me on any direction, I'll follow you. Don't wanna wait another day and miss out on your sweet selection.
Okay, let's go down the hill and I'll take you to... You are on the right path. To stay on the main tour and continue through Seacliff, turn left. Stay right at the stop sign. We are going to the Legion of Honor. On your right is the inspiring 17th hole.
Try lang na bumaba dito guys sa Lincoln Park Golf Course kasi parang magandang view dito. Thank you Go-Kart Tours. Ang lupit mo. Search na lang sa internet Go-Kart Tours.
Oo, and I suggest mga 4 hours kayo.
4 hours kasi marami kayong mamimiss na lugar na magaganda.
Mag-off ka nga. Paano ba yun?
First time ko, babe, nakahawak nitong butas ng Go.
Paano ba yun? Paano yun? Paano?
Oh, I'm slipping away, so don't let me go, nah, 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 nah. I'm all up in that love haze, so where do we go, nah, nah? Just let me know that I am safe here in your arms. I wanna stay, stay. I'm slipping away, so don't let me go now. Your love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control, out of control. Oh baby, I love the rush. It overflows. It's out of control, out of control.
Kita dilaw.
I'm in love. Yeah. I'm slipping away. Yeah. Just like I am dreaming, walking around in this love haze. I wanna stay in this feeling, but let me know that I am safe here in your arms. I wanna stay, stay. I'm slipping away. So don't let me go now. Your love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control, out of control. But baby, I love the rush. It overflows. It's out of control. Your love is exceptional. It fills me up.
Grabe, one of the best experience of my whole life. Tik na ligaw na ata ako.
Hindi, tama.
It's out of control, out of control. I'm in love.
Over on the right is the majestic Davies Symphony Hall.
Deep in love with you, baby, yeah. 'Cause your love is exceptional. Ooh. It's out of control, out of
Guys, hindi na kami sumunod doon sa GPS kasi pinapadaanan niya lahat ng tourist spot. Kailangan namin makabalik doon as soon as possible kasi overtime na kami. Nag-Google Maps na lang kami sarili namin. Ngayon, hindi namin sure. Wala kami kasiguro doon sa lahat ng dinadaanan namin. Tulad nito guys, sobrang tarik nito. Hindi ko alam kung kakayanin ng go-kart to pero kailangan natin to. Let's go.
Kaya ba yan?
Wala ka sa akin.
Babe, kinakabahan talaga ako.
Google Maps.
Please, oh my God. Oh my goodness, gracious, gracious.
Nag-exit kami in 27 minutes.
Let's get somewhere at the park.
Sige, hanap tayong park. Ayun, parking. Oh, yun o, parking. Di ba park yung hinahanap mo? Ang laki-laki. Park. Oh. Parking pala yan. Sorry. Ganda dito guys, oh. Ito pala yun. Ano yun?
RV here.
No RV. Naku, bawal ako dito. Bawal pala ako dito. Tara na bumalik. No RV, oh. Ha? So yun guys, ang nangyari. Wala pa kami sa 50% ng buong tour. Pero 30 minutes na lang yung time namin. 30 minutes na lang. 3 hours na. So nag-decide na ako na Mag-Google Maps kami. Nagkaroon kami ng problema dun. Pero okay lang kasi nakabalik kami na safe. Ano to? Parang may barko dito. Ito ata yung tour papuntang Alcatraz, babe.
Yung Alcatraz.
Oh, ayun yung Alcatraz eh.
Ito, Pier 39.
Pier 39. So dito naman tayo kumain. So dito muna kami kakain ni Maring Myrtle. Oh yun.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Doors are opening.
Okay guys, so naglalakad na kami ngayon pa uwi. And I think dito na natin tatapusin tong vlog natin for today. I hope you enjoyed this vlog guys. This is just the day 1 of our daily vlog trip here in San Francisco. And tomorrow is our day 2. And that's it. See you again tomorrow. Ingat kayo palagi guys and God bless.